what size? It's for the elephant and it's even on us. Oh, sorry for the elephant. I don't want to get wet. Okay, let's go. Be careful. Oh no, and he's coming up again. Watch out. I'm just kidding. Don't worry, okay? But the elephant fall us all the bigger fish.
Sky, baby.
I've been this way before.
Sky.
Oh, look at those spiders. Did you know they can jump over 20 feet? Yeah, but don't worry, we only 10 feet away. So if they jump, yes, they will jump right over us. And our high ancient temple of Ganesha, the elephant god. Look at those big cobras, the largest poisonous snake in the world. And that one is within striking distance, so really close to you. And be careful, okay? Alright, so now we are ending the chew hard of this jungle. Do you see those flat tires? We have a word for them. We call them crocodiles, right? And then Chipotle have a word for us too. They call us demons. You better keep your hands clean. And now we're right to Professor for the campsite. It's something that has another better company. Oh, it's a bunch of gorilla, you see? If you're doing anything yellow, don't make a noise, just slam it on, okay? Wow! This is dangerous! Oh, it's so dangerous. What's going on here? And now we're in Africa. You can see there's giraffe and zebra. It's a bit cute, right? And this is the number 2 most feared animal in this jungle, African elephant. Hello, elephant! Hi! Okay, so who is the number 1? Of course, his mother-in-law. And now we're entering a pool of dangerous people. Oh, they stick out some partridges to fight right through elbows of their big teeth. Okay, be careful, okay? It seems like they don't brush their teeth every day. Oh, be careful, your right hand side! Whoa! And your left hand side! Oh, be careful! I know all of you are so brave. And the last one of my photo, oh, when they saw those people, and they're there now, see? We turn this thing dusty for a reason. Good luck, so cool. Oh my god. See those girls? Oh, he's kind of a sign language. And it says, please remove your jewelry and watch us now. That's where we won't get a starfish or be injured. Uh-oh. Keep quiet. Shh. Oh no, I've seen it! Everybody down! Be careful! Watch out! Okay. Are you okay? Did anyone get hurt? No? Okay, so if we get hit with a poison dart, you need to put it out and fall it back. Because we're not allowed to keep any souvenirs, okay? Alright, so we can go back to the dot now. The dot is just over there. Nothing can stop us. Everybody, please remain seated first, okay? Alright, sit down please there. Only a crazy person stand up on a moving boat, okay? And keep your elbows in. Alright, so we can go back to the dock now. Remain seated first. Okay, let's go. Oh, no, what's happened? And this mysterious way is what is by the god of fire and water. And they go now, it's scary, we can't go now. Oh, sorry, the god of fire, please forgive us. Barbecue. That's great. You are out of picture now. Hooray! We're so fine! Yay! And your left hand side is steady the elephant again. And let's come and say goodbye to us. Let's say goodbye to him. Bye, the elephant. We see you soon. Bye. Alright, so before we go back to the boat, everybody please with me sit down first. And excuse me, keep your hands on inside the boat. Okay, mind your elbow, please. Mind your elbow, okay, be careful. Alright, so just wait a moment. Did you enjoy this trip?